Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an LLC yourself. First, select a unique business name that meets your state's naming requirements. Next, appoint a registered agent. This person or service will handle official correspondence. Then, decide on your LLC's management structure, whether it's member-managed or manager-managed, and define the roles of all members. This foundational work ensures your business starts on solid ground. Once your initial decisions are made, it's time to prepare your articles of organization. This crucial document outlines your LLC's name, registered agent, and principal address. Carefully review all information for accuracy before submitting it to your state's Secretary of State office. Remember to include the filing fee, which can range from $50 to $500, depending on your state. After filing, draft an operating agreement. This internal document defines ownership percentages, member responsibilities, and how profits and losses are distributed. Next, apply for an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. It's like a social security number for your business. Finally, open a separate business bank account to maintain clear financial separation, which is vital for liability protection. Your LLC journey doesn't end with filing. Ongoing compliance is key. Most states require annual reports, which update your business information. Keep meticulous financial records and ensure all business expenses are separate from personal ones. Also, be aware of and fulfill all federal, state, and local tax obligations. Staying compliant protects your personal liability and keeps your business in good standing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.